Are you guys facing problem with your Facebook's marketplace option and it's not available on your account? Then in this video, I can fix your problem. And by the end of this video, I can fix your problem of Facebook's marketplace unavailability in your Facebook. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Guys, I nearly have 5 solutions for the problems or challenges that you are facing with Facebook's marketplace option. So let's move on to the first one. See, if you're not getting the Facebook marketplace option in your Facebook, that probably your account is a newer one, not an older one, because Facebook is not giving the access to the new accounts of this marketplace to protect its policies and customers. Once your account gets older, you'll automatically get the update of Facebook Marketplace. But if your account is old enough and established, and then also you are not getting the Facebook Marketplace option, then the second problem arises, which is your location is the problem. As Marketplace is not available globally, it's restricted to some countries only, and there might be a chance that your location is one of those countries where Facebook Marketplace is not available. To check that, I'll leave a link in the description box. You just have to tap that and you'll be redirected to a page where Facebook has given the list of the countries where the marketplace option is available. Then comes the third problem, which is age restriction. As Facebook's marketplace is not available for people who are below 18. So you might have registered your Facebook and made the account using a lower age, and to fall in that category of eligibility criteria, you have to change your Facebook's age. You can just simply go to your Facebook settings and tap on the personal information option and change your age there. Afterwards comes the fourth problem. Probably you are not using Facebook's updated version. Just go to your App Store or just go to your Play Store and check whether your Facebook is updated or not. If not, then immediately just update your Facebook application to make the feature available for you. Now comes the fifth and the most common problem, that your Facebook account might have a bug in it. And the problem can be resolved by using Facebook's web version. All you have to do is just open up your browser and type facebook.com/marketplace, and when you enter it, you'll be redirected to the official page of Facebook's marketplace and you can use it from there only. But if you still want a mobile application version of marketplace, you need to fix that bug. Just go to your Facebook app and from the settings go to help option, and after tapping the help option, you just have to report the problem to Facebook and they'll fix it down. And friends, I guarantee you that after resolving all these 5 basic problems, you'll definitely get the Facebook Marketplace in your Facebook account and you'll get to access on it. And that's all in this video, guys. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up and share with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Just keep watching GetAssist.